Alright guys, we're going to give you part 2 of a day in the life of an automotive technician. So let's get rolling on this. What up, Nick? What are you working on?
Stuff.
Is all of this related to working at a Toyota dealership? Kawasaki pipes, Chevy heads? What are you doing, man?
Wrapping the head.
You're wrapping your head?
Yeah.
Keep it safe, right? You gotta wrap it.
Yeah, wrap it before you use it.
What's this for, though? Seriously? What's it for?
My bike.
What bike? Ooh. Is there no front brake? Why do you not have a front brake? You gonna Flintstone that shit?
No, caliper shot.
So.
And it's hard to find parts for these bikes,
So here's an honest question. So look at this. This wrap is freaking dope, dude. So how come you're cleaning them if you're gonna do that?
I just wanted to get all the oil and shit off before I wrapped them.
Jams! This looks way too similar to a certain Sienna. Yeah, I don't miss that. Go see if we can drum up some work. Oh, come on! Hi. I don't know how we're supposed to test drive when they never even gas in them. Manual Jetta. Wheelie! Oh, this Raptor though, supercharged Raptor. We had some fun with this one. Roll it. We ordered parts for a Beamer 4 days ago. Still not here. Empty stalls. I could clean up, but I really don't feel like it. So right now, again guys, it's just gonna be like a little vlog style video. I just want to do another day in the life of a technician. Right now, we're doing used cars for the dealership, and we're just waiting on the managers to get some packets drawn out so that we can have more work to do. But yeah, I might get to cleaning this. It's kind of a mess.
You'll be okay.
Get it all. Please. I said please. I need that stuff.
So you're okay now? You're good? I suppose.
Zach Galifianakis makes his second appearance. Between two shrubs.
Shrubs?
Yeah. Haven't you seen that? It's a skit. Between two shrubs. Come on, Toad, let's go.
Where are we going?
You didn't give me that shit.
I'm making a phone call.
No, I don't care about that. Alright, so here's a good one. We got a Chrysler Town & Country. Get some light on it. You can see how leaky this is. Sometimes I've seen just this pan leak, sometimes just the top. The top one's kind of a bear. You can see where that plug-in is right up here, because you have to slide the pan over the connector port after you take that plug out. So kind of a bitch, but we're going to recommend this. Alright, so typical Chrysler junk right here. So you're expected to find some little metal filings attached to this magnet. It's a good idea to clean that out if you're doing a filter service, fluid, whatever. But look at these big chunks. Yeah, that is not good. That's not good. You don't want to see big chunks of metal like this. Transmission fluid pan magnet. That is not good. Chrysler garbage. We got the Whiz Lord. What you doing, Whiz?
I'm doing a variant. Pretty sketchy right now. Power tower.
Look at this thing. Eiffel Tower. Let's hit it. Hit it.
Like an ice cream
Let's go.
cone.
Let's go. Oh, nice, dude. Right there, that's good. This thing is, you gotta have big cojones to run that thing. Alright, so this is some real bullshit. So this Dodge, we did a tranny pan reseal for dealer use only. So there's a dipstick tube, but you got to stuff this funnel down there, and then they have a specialized dipstick. You can see it has numbers on it right there. The numbers are for when you stick this in here. Well, first, let's show you the stand. So you go over here, and you get your transmission temp. So it'll tell you transmission temperature is at 121 degrees. Then we come over to the computer. Then we come over to the computer and you have to base your temperature off of the fluid level in millimeters. So you find out where you are. This is the minimum, the maximum. You want to be somewhere in that range. And then you're good. So we'll stick this down here. And we're at 32 millimeters. We're right on the max line. That's some bullshit. All right, guys, so we got one more car to check out today. It's gonna be this Silverado behind me here. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you another day in the life of an automotive technician. Like I said, things kind of got switched up a little bit. We are now doing used cars only, which has perks. Some of the work tends to be a little bit easier, but there's always cars to work on, it seems. So pretty grateful for the new position. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, you go down below, hit that like button, smash that bell and the subscribe button so that you are notified every time that we upload a video. 500 subscribers, we're giving you another tool. Don't miss out on the Fox body content, you guys. Twin blowers on an 83 GT, 5-liter Fox, and the motor right now is off at the machine shop. So we get that back, we'll get it all prettied up, and then we'll show you what that's gonna look like. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Got my inside is mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody.